Get out of the way, Anthony.
And poof, that's it. Alright, put the two others. Same spot as usually, because the others are too, the ground is too uneven. It'll just fall down. It's the only spot I was able to find that was flat enough. Wind's blowing to the left. Yeah, I wish we had one of those nicer big ones, but oh well.
Here, Anthony, this one you can do. Just you have to throw it.
No, that's not the throwing type.
What it is?
It's not. It's a type of fountain. It goes big. At least it's supposed to, anyway. Just throw the other ones away. It's in a flat. That's the only flat spot. Whatever. That was disappointing. You know, I think we're gonna have to get out the big boy.
No, Anthony, just leave it.
No, just one of the big boys. I'll show you. No. Yes. That'll be the rainbow trout. Better be good. There we go, right there. Picky, picky, picky. Yeah, you better get the fuck out of Dodge. Now that's much better.
That didn't last long.
Yeah. But at least it was good.
A little better than the other one.
Alright, Happy New Year, everybody. I hope you enjoy your New Year's Eve bash, party, whatever. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this. If you want to see it bigger next year, which I will do, let me know in the comments below. Thumbs up my video. Give me a subscribe. Whatever else. Ciao. Stay cheesy, my friends.